My accident happened in September 27. It was in the morning. I was like around 8:40 a.m. I was on my way to work. So I was going on the third lane, well, first from right, when a car made a left turn in the middle of the street without checking the third lane that was clear for me. He didn't look, he didn't drove slower, check if anyone was coming. You know, when you peek in when you're going, he didn't do none of that. He just took it. And that's when the car accident happened. When the impact occurred, the airbags deployed. So I've never been in a car accident, so never had that experience of, you know, the impact, the airbags, how the airbags hit you inside of the car. You know, I was in shock, so I was kind of like, do I get off right now? There are vehicles on my sides, on both sides. You know, they kept going. The traffic was going, so I was just in the middle of the street. The person involved in the accident, he was acting very weird. He was kind of avoiding, you know, he wasn't getting his documentation. When I called the police, they told me, okay, assistant's gonna get there soon. Make sure you have your documents ready when they get there. First thing that came to my head is he does not have documentation. And which he didn't. He didn't have a driver's license. He didn't have an official ID. Good thing the vehicle did have insurance. The owner did have insurance for the vehicle. However, the person that was driving did not have a driver's license. So after the accident, I didn't know what to do really. I had to find someone that is a professional that could help me respond my questions and help me with the what's next, because it's the main question, right? What do I do now? So I started looking at an attorney in the area. And that's how I found Omega Law Group. So I really appreciated that they answered right away. The first thing they asked was, are you okay, right? That's the main thing. Make sure that give us another call and we'll guide you through the next steps. So right there, I felt way more calm. You know, there's someone there, professional, that will let me know what to do next, right? So right there, I knew I did the right choice by calling them. Right, figure out the insurance portion, check my insurance, their insurance, make sure they have coverage that was valid in the accident, and also go with someone that can check me and my pain, because I told them, you know, my back hurts, my neck hurts, my shoulders hurt, my head. I told them all the body areas that were hurting me. So I'm still treating with the chiropractor. I still have a few sessions left before I get checked again. They have to evaluate if I need to get physical therapy now, an injection. So that's the next step. But the attorneys have been so helpful. I honestly don't know what I would have done without having their professional instructions on what to do. Yes, I do recommend Omega Law Group. They were very helpful. Every time I have any questions, literally AM, PM, there's always someone that can take your calls. If you need help, they're right away send you whatever you need. So they have been of great help, and they make it so much easier to go through the steps on, you know, deal with insurance, deal with the other person that hit you. All these little things you don't have to worry for, because they are helping you with that portion. So you just have to worry about taking care of yourself, getting better, and obviously following what they tell you to do.